If you want to get instant improvement with leg circulation, it can be done if you approach it properly. We're covering 3 concepts that you'll need to know, and then we're going to get into 5 exercises.
So the first major concept we first want to look at to increase blood flow is to stop sitting so much and get moving more.
One of the key pearls that I want to talk about is muscle contraction. In the legs, particularly, muscle contraction acts as a pump to move the blood up into the trunk where it needs to go to get reoxygenated. And the last important concept is gravity. Make sure you use gravity. The first thing we're going to address is the foot, actually the bottom of the foot, to get the muscles in there working. They're small muscles. A nice way to get things loosened up in there is simply take a tennis ball. You can use one of these little foot massager balls with little knobbies on it, and you simply roll back and forth for about 30 seconds to a minute.
The next exercise is going to be some toe curls.
That's right.
In order to do these, you're simply going to curl your toe onto your foot. You can do them with your socks on or without. Okay, now we're going to work our way up the legs and do the ankles and calf muscles with my feet raised up. This is going to help gravity push the blood flow up to my trunk like we want. So you're just going to have to take some pillows or a leg wedge to get your feet raised up above your heart level like I have now.
You can do it in a seated position. You will not have gravity assist like this, but it's still a lot better than not doing it. You'll still get the muscle pumping action.
Now we're going to start getting some circulation going in the quads and the hamstrings. To do this, I'm going to keep one leg planted in a flex position like this, bring my other one up to roughly a 90-degree angle here. Then I'm going to simply kick my foot towards the ceiling. What's comfortable for you? You're going to get a little hamstring stretch here. So if it feels tight, that's why. Just try to do 10 to 15 repetitions. Go nice, slow, and controlled. Make sure to work both sides.
In the chair is an acceptable way to do it without the gravity assist, of course. Simply kick up and go down.
And the last exercise in a laying down or seated position, we're going to work the glutes to get that last bit of circulation up your legs. I'm going to do some bridges here. You can put your hands at your side if you need more support. You're going to go up, hold for a few seconds, and then go back down.
So this is going to be in a seated position. We're simply going to go from here to a standing position, working a large muscle groups in the legs and the glutes. Make sure you have armrests if you're a little wobbly. Make sure you're safe. If this is easy, you can do it. Mike said, hands here to get a little more muscle contraction. And make sure you squeeze those butt cheeks in at this point to help finish off and be complete. Now, this last exercise does not use gravity at all.
But we're going to do step ups. We're going to do the right leg first. So I'm going to lead up with the right foot and then bring the left foot back down. We're going to lead with the left leg, leading up, and then bringing the right leg down first again.